What is different envision in future?
What is different in future? Envision in future. I think envision in future.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Maram. My company is Maram. You can call me Maram. My hobby is play football. My ambition is president.
Same like him.
Yes.
Okay.
My last education
Okay. Any question? He don't say his birthday or everything, his favorite food and everything. Anybody can ask him. Okay. Okay.
What is benefit you playing football?
Benefit keuntungan.
What is
Repeat.
your benefit if you playing football?
my benefit is my body become healthy and too much fine.
Okay, the next question. Everybody can ask him about everything. Okay, Abdul Ghani.
Almost people in this world like football.
That's right.
Okay, what do you prefer for weekend president? Siapa?
The first, I certainly have like speak English very good, nice.
It's good.
And it is good. And discipline.
Okay, any question? Yes, from Ronnie. From what? From Sarif. Hey, okay, before that, please Miftah prepare yourself to ask him. Okay, after this is your turn. Okay. Okay, Sarif, ask him.
What is your favorite player in football?
Okay.
Yeah. My favorite might be Roberto Carlos. Because
Yeah.
my position is midfielder.
Okay, good.
Please telepon ke Bang.
Okay.
I want to tell about Roberto Carlos. Roberto Carlos is a player from Brazil. He is good player. Long time ago, he is a player team Real Madrid and position midfielder.
Just it.
No.
Okay. Okay, never mind. Okay.
But
Okay, any question? Limin. Okay, Miftah. Now the Miftah turn to ask him.
What is different envision in future? What is different envision in future?
what is different in future? Envision in future. I think envision is future.
Just answer what is in your mind. Never mind everything.
I think this is my target for going in my career, and future is my way go one step by step.
Okay, how about Miftah? Is his answer is enough? Not enough. Okay. Okay. Abdul Ghani, maybe have any question, maybe. Or Ipin. Or everybody Muhlis didn't ask something. Where will you go? Okay. After this, don't go anywhere.